Welcome back to the Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, we are introducing a multi-million-dollar seed project. The project we want to highlight is Rome Protocol, a Solana-based initiative designed not only to improve interoperability across blockchains but also to enhance scalability, security, and transaction performance. Before diving into the details and learning how to participate in the project's testnet, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to stay updated with more high-quality projects in the future. What is Rome Protocol? Rome Protocol is a blockchain project built on Solana, offering services such as shared sequencers and data availability for Layer 2 Rala projects on Ethereum. By leveraging Solana's high processing capability, it ensures efficient transaction sequencing while reducing costs compared to Ethereum. Additionally, Rome Protocol focuses on developing technologies like RAS, Rollup as a Service, and Rome SDK to enhance global interoperability and scalability. You can learn more on the project's official website. In July 2024, Rome Protocol successfully raised $9 million from top investment funds, including Hack VC, P2 Ventures, Hashkey, Portal Ventures, Bankless Ventures, Robot VC, L-Bank, Anagram, TRGC, and Paradigm Ventures. The project has also received support from renowned angel investors such as Anatoly Yakovenko, Nick White, Santiago Santos, Comfy Capital, Austin Federa, and Jason Yanowitz. How to participate in the Rome Protocol Testnet. Let's quickly dive into the steps to join the Rome Protocol Testnet. Step 1. Preparing for the testnet. 1. Visit the project's website to retrieve the testnet network parameters for Rome EVM. 2. Open your MetaMask wallet. Go to the Network section and select Add a Custom Network. 3. Enter the details provided on the website, as shown in the demonstration. Four. After completing the setup, click Save. Then select the Rome network. Copy your wallet address to request a faucet. 5. Paste your wallet address on the designated page and click Request Airdrop. Done. You'll receive 100 Rome in your wallet. Step 2. Rome Testnet Tasks. 1. Connect your wallet. 2. Create a token by following the provided steps. Three. After completing the process, verify the transaction. Success. Step 3. Tasks on Galxe. 1. Access the link provided and perform one transaction on the Solana mainnet. Log in and select your Phantom wallet. Enter your username. Two. Complete the social media tasks. Follow the project's Twitter page. Follow the project CEO's Twitter account. Retweet one of the project's posts. Connect your Discord account to the project and complete the account verification. Once all tasks are completed, wait for the project's confirmation. You'll receive an NFT as a reward. Conclusion. I've just introduced you to Rome Protocol and shared the steps to participate in its airdrop. If you found this video informative and helpful, please leave us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more promising projects in the future.